How do you pronounce this word, designating a pleasant smell? In British English it's said as petrichor, pe-tre-chor, stress on the first syllable, 3 syllables total. In American English it's rather said as petrichor. How do you pronounce this word, designating a pleasant smell? In British English it's said as petrichor, pe-tre-chor, stress on the first syllable, 3 syllables total. In American English it's rather said as petrichor. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.